Happy Vlogmas.
Good morning, happy Vlogmas day. Bye. It's Vlogmas day 5. What are we doing today?
Building.
Yay. Build day number 3.
Yeah.
Yay. We're gonna have a kitchen today, maybe.
Yeah, it's in there.
It's in there. We just have to put it in there.
We just need to build the benches to like make everything.
Yeah, the benches.
And a new door.
Yeah.
The
We got
door's
some
too
stuff to
little.
do. Yeah, we got a lot of things to do. So, Home
Yeah,
Depot.
yeah.
We're going to Home Depot again.
Hopefully not.
Love it.
Knowing your body feels so tired to get out of bed.
Going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Taking Brittany to work. Now she has to make money. We have delivery. Woohoo! Thank you. This one's Destiny's?
Yeah. Can you try this?
Okay.
Because if you don't like it, I can make you another one.
She's the best. Okay. Alright, Brittany said we have to try this. So, what is it called again?
Pineapple matcha.
Pineapple matcha.
She doesn't like it. Are you serious? Let me see.
It's good. It's
This is good.
Really? Were you faking it? I just didn't
Just
like
try it again.
I just didn't love it. I think it was like the pineapple really takes over. But
No,
I
it
love
doesn't.
matcha.
I think the matcha takes over.
Really? Okay. Wow. That's good.
You always like mine. You want me to make you one? We could share both.
No.
But you're not drinking all of it.
I don't want all of it.
Okay.
It's just like one peanut butter you have to like
Because
That's
I made
why-
it thick.
no, always in peanut butter.
Oh. Well, yeah.
That's good.
Thank you.
Cool.
You're welcome.
We'll see you later.
All right, bye.
Don't stay too late. Just kidding.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day at work. Hello. We've been gone. That's like bright in your face. So bright. So, I think we spent our day a little separate today a lot, right? Mm-hmm. Destiny's been outside in her zone over here. Tell us what you've been doing, babe.
Cutting the wood for the benches. I've been making new benches.
Why?
Because I hate ours.
So, i.e. the old bench. That was the backside so you couldn't see it. But we had it pretty much.
Old bench, new bench.
Yeah, old bench, new bench. Full toilet pull out.
Haven't made that yet.
It's not going to make sense right now. But you can just tell the difference. We used 3/4. 3/4 plywood. Birch. So it's going to be smooth when I paint it. And then this was, geez, what is that? Half? 1?
What?
What we used here.
On the top it was half, and then
Yeah,
on the
top
side
is
it was
half.
1/4 inch.
This
with
one's
2 by
1/4.
3s.
That we put on 2x3s. Right there. See that?
Don't like it.
Hate it. So she's redoing those. I have been editing all day. YouTube was giving me problems. Canva was giving me problems. Now it's daylight savings. Not now. And it's
6:50.
6:50. But it looks like it's 8:50, almost 9 o'clock out there.
Sucks.
Very, very frustrating.
Was gonna give you more time forever. Know what they say, only time will tell.
We have a door! What you doing, babe?
Measuring the trimming for right here.
What's going there?
Trimming, I guess.
We're gonna cover the door from here to cover like up to this metal thing so it looks more door-like and homey. Right?
Right.
Also, can you tell them why we had to redo the whole door?
We accidentally cut this too small. It was supposed to be 25 inches and we cut it to 22 inches. is. So we had to buy a new piece of plywood. And
Cheap
cut it
fix?
$100 later for this stupid piece of wood. But it's okay because now it works.
Just close my eyes and think of you when I'm sleeping with someone new.
Alright guys, we're calling it a night. I told Destiny I really wanted to call it early tonight so that we can wake up and do it. It's just really hard to work at night. Like, it's so dark. It's only like 8:30 maybe. And yeah, around that time I would think it would start getting, you know, we're used to it getting darker. And now, you know, it's been dark for hours and we're working with a light, and then it's, you know, you kind of get tired and exhausted, and I think we're getting a little frustrated right now. We're just trying to discuss things and figure things out, and like, we were trying to think if we wanted the layout different or exactly the same. We actually have to make this different because we're pushing this out of a bit more. So this is gonna go like this. So this is our moral of my story, is that yeah, we're just trying to figure out life. We had a full U here, if you've seen before, but we ripped that out. We always complained that this seat here especially was way too small, and like we couldn't truly comfortably sit on it. You could sit like on the edge for tiny people, or you know, maybe it works, but girl got some hips, my butt don't fit there, nor does Destiny's, and it's just not comfy, you know, if you want to sit with crisscross applesauce. I don't know, so we're just trying to figure it out. So honest, vulnerable, just Sherry kind of moment. I'm not trying to sound whiny or I don't know. So moral of the story, let's just get to the point. So I love YouTube. It is my passion project. If you didn't know, I had my own YouTube channel before this one. I'm not ashamed of it, so you can go find it. It's Elizabeth and Nicole. I tried to share like DIYs because I really like doing things, smaller things. Loved doing them. And then I switched it to like vegan content, or actually I was vegetarian at the time. But more of the story, again, is that I love YouTube. I love watching YouTube. I love creating YouTube videos. I love recording, talking to you guys. I love creating a storyline and creating a good like video for you guys to watch, and I love editing. I feel that if you go watch those, growth, right? Not saying I'm amazing at it, but like growth, you'll have to learn, and the best way to learn is to start. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, go get started. However, I love Vlogmas, and I have done it every year that I've been a part of YouTube, and I think, or probably almost every year, I think probably about 4 years now, I'm gonna probably say, and not always the best. Like, I don't always, you know, and I get Vlogmas is around Christmas time, but I'm just getting like so discouraged because like I have friends that say like they love, and you guys watch and you comment, and it literally warms my heart. But every single day I had asked like if you want us to or not, and realistically we're a smaller channel, there weren't that many votes. But then at the end of the day I told Destiny, you know what, at the end of the day this is our channel and it's for our memories, so I'd rather say, hey, I've done Vlogmas for 10 years straight versus like, oh, I stopped doing it because people didn't like it. So what I'm trying to get around to is, I don't know if you guys love it or don't like it. I might seem a little boring because we're just kind of building and it's very mundane and we're just like, it's a day-to-day life. I promise travel and us living in this beautiful home will be coming back. And I only say this is because we're like reached at 900, and it was so awesome because like we were like 902 or 903. And that means a lot to small YouTubers. We're almost at 1,000 and it warms my heart and I get so excited. So we love you guys that are here and appreciate the comments and the likes and the subscribes. So don't forget to subscribe and like. But it's really sad because every single day that I post a video, I'm not saying it's because I post this video, but during Vlogmas, we are losing a follower a day. And it might seem like nothing, it might seem like very minuscule, but it's kind of hurting my feelings. And that's okay because, you know, Destiny was like, it's okay. We lose some, we win some. You might get better ones. Like, it's fine. And I'm having that mentality. And I'm not stopping Vlogmas, even though I thought about it like yesterday and today, like a lot today. But I'm just saying, I was just a little sad. I just thought I'd share that with you guys. So, also, that might be a little bit why I didn't record a lot today. It might actually seem like I did because I'm talking a lot today. But, yeah, anyways, I'm going to shower and get ready for bed. And I'm actually going to go edit this video because that's what I love to do. But, if you do love watching them, please comment down below and say hello or, yeah, I don't know, say something nice. But, I promise the video and travel content will be back very soon, coming January. I actually have videos lined up because I didn't finish, you know, catching you guys up. Yeah, I'm gonna have a few videos for you guys already lined up in January, so hope you love it. Anyways, good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas video. Good night.